Good morning to all of you. So, see all of you questions from the material. Page number 71 already completed 114 means 114 question completed. Next 115 these simplifications you done already. This simplifications you done. Next next one 116 also simple questions only, you try that. Next you see 117 page number 72, page number 72. Now prove that a tan square 60 degrees minus 2 tan square 45 degrees divided by 3 sin square 45 degrees sin 90 degrees plus cos square 60 degrees cos square 0 degrees, it is equal to 4 by 7. It is equal to 4 by 7. So using values you have to simplify this. Once again you verify that question. Any mistakes are there? Tan square 60 degrees, 2 tan square 45 degrees, 3 sin square 45 degrees, sin 70 degrees plus cos square 60 degrees and cos square 0 degrees, it is equal to 4 by 7. So take that value, tan square, so take the LHS value. LHS equal to, you don't repeat that problem. So substitute the values. Tan square 60, tan 60 is how much? Root 3. So root 3 whole square minus 2 into tan 45, 1. So 1 square divided by, so 3 into, again tan sin 45, 1 by root 2 whole square into sin 90, 1 plus cos 60, 1 by 2 whole square. Square is there, you write as it is, into cos 0, 1. So square is there, you write as it is, 1 square. See that simplification. So all values are substituted, you see that simplification. Root 3 whole square means 3 minus, so 1 square, 1, 2 into 1, 2. So 3 minus 2 in the numerator remaining. So 3 into, so 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. So into 1 means the same value only plus. So 1 square means 1. 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. So into 1 means same value. Now see, in the numerator remaining 3 minus 2, 1 divided by 3 by 2. So here take LCM, what happens? So LCM is 4. So this is how many times? 2 times. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1. So again 1 by 6 plus 1, 7 divided by 4. 7 by 4. So 1 by means you should write reverse. So 4 by 7 is your answer. 4 by 7 is your answer. So in that, while explanation I was given table only. Okay na? Problems ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಆವಾಗ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. So you note down, so according to that values table we done some problems. So from the material, note down fast. Noted? Right, very good. Next question. One more. 118. Find x. Find x if x sin 30 degrees cos 45 degrees it is equal to cot square 30 degrees into secant 60 degrees into tan 45 degrees divided by cosecant square 45 degrees cosecant 30 degrees. Cot square 30 degrees, secant 60 degrees, tan 40. So in this you are going to simplify x value. X value we are going to simplify. X value we are going to simplify. So given data you write, given x into sin 30 degrees cos 45 degrees. So while doing this problem, keep beside values table. Values table. It is equal to cot square 30 degrees secant 60 degrees tan 45 degrees divided by cosecant square 45 degrees into cosecant 30 degrees. So x into sin 30 degrees is how much? 1 by 2. Cos 45 how much? 1 by root 2. It is equal to cot 30 degrees root 3 whole square. Square is there as it is we write. So secant 60 2 into tan 45 1 divided by cosecant 45 root 2. Square is there you write root 2 whole square into cosecant 32. Substituted all values. Just verify all the values. So whether we substituted correct values or not, you have to verify. So simplification. So x divided by 2 into root 2. 2 root 2. It is equal to left hand side value simplified. Right hand side. So root 3 whole square means 3. So here 2 to get cancelled. Divided by, so 3 into 1 is 3, so root 2 whole square means 2. Again both sides 2 will be cancelled. 2 will be cancelled. Remaining x equal to cross multiplied 3 into root. So x is equal to 3 into root. So that is your answer. That is your answer. Understand? Any doubts? So same like that you have to do 119. Same like that you have to do homework. 119. 119 you have to do homework. Understand? For test syllabus, you have to practice 3.1, 3A, 3.2. That is our test syllabus. And also, before 3.3, whatever I was given theory, you have to practice that one also. Before 3.3 exercise, theory ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ cos of x plus y, cos of x minus y, sin of x plus y, sin of x minus y, that is compulsory question. In that 4, one question is compulsory for 5 marks. You have to prove geometrically. Theory is as it is for same for all, for 4 formulas. Okay na? Theory is the same. So you have to practice. Next you take domain and range values of trigonometric functions. Domain and heading. Domain and ranges of trigonometric functions. Take this table. Trigonometric functions. Domain and a range of trigonometric functions. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosecant theta, secant theta. Domain and ranges. Domain and ranges. Domain and ranges. So what is the domain of sin theta is a set of real angles. Domain of cosecant x is x not equal to n pi, comma n belongs to z. Domain of cos theta is r. Cosecant is x not equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, comma n belongs to z, comma n belongs to z. Domain of tan theta is x not equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, comma n belongs to z. Cot theta is domain x not equal to n pi, comma n belongs to z. All domains came. Next, ranges. Range of sin theta is minus 1 comma plus 1. This is minus 1 comma plus 1. This is R. This is R. Ranges. Secant cosecant theta is R minus minus 1 comma. These are the domain and ranges. Domain ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, range ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೇಂಜಸ್. ಇವೇನೇನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೈಮ್ನಾಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವುದು? 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 comma n belongs to z. Okay na? These are the domain and ranges are given in even exams ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೀವು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದೇನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಏನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಡ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಬೌಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ page number 78. Question number 131. If cos theta equal to 4 by 5 and theta is acute find the value of 3 cos theta plus 2 cosecant theta divided by 4 sin theta minus cot theta. 3 cos theta plus 2 cosecant theta divided by 4 sin theta divided by minus cot theta. So like problems given, first of all you take one right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, so given data you have to substitute. So what is given data? Given cos theta equal to 4 by 5. So this is theta, this is 4, this is 5. Next, how much this value? Obviously you know that this value is 3. After seeing this triangle, this you can write any ratio. So after that, what? Theta is acute. Theta is acute means what? Theta lies in first quadrant. Right? Theta lies in first quadrant means, so all ratios are positive. So you take that finding value. So what value? 3 cos theta plus 2 cosecant theta divided by 4 sin theta minus cot theta. 3 into, so from this right angle triangle you write cos theta. Cos theta what? 4 by 5 plus cosecant theta is what? 5 by 3. So 2 into 5 by 3. So whole divided by 4 into what is sin theta? From this right angle triangle 3 by 5 minus what is cot theta? 4 by 3. So 4 by 3. You see that right angle triangle and substitute each and every value. So after that, 3 into 4, 12 by 5 plus, so 2 into 5, 10 by 3. So whole divided by, so 4 into 3, 12 by 5 minus 4 by 3. Now take LCM for numerator and denominator. In numerator, what is the LCM? 15. 15 is the LCM. Now cross multiply. So 12 into 3, 36 plus 50 divided by. So what is LCM? So 3 into 5, 15. Next 12 into 3, 36 minus 2, 5 into 4, 20. So 15 cancel. So remaining what? Remaining what? 36 plus 50. How much that is? 86. Divided by 36 minus 20 what? 16. Any simplification is there? Any simplification? 2. So 2 fours. So 2 threes. So 2 eights. 43 by 8. 43 by 8. That is your solution. 43 by 8. That is your final solution. Note down fast. 43 by 8. Understand? Note down fast. So, like finding values given, you take one right angle triangle. ಕೆಲ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಇದೇ ಥರ ಮಾಡಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ? 3.2ನೆಗೆ 3.3ನೆಗೆ 3.2ನೆಗೆ ಸಾರಿ 3.2 like models already we did, not the solution. So there will be one ratio. You have to simplify remaining 5 ratios. Next one. One more question on this model. 132. If secant theta equal to 13 by 5, so and 3 pi by 2 less than theta less than 2 pi. Find the value of 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta divided by 4 sin theta plus 9 cos theta. Listen this. Same model, little bit different. Okay, right? Now, secant theta is equal 13 by 5. Right? You take right angle triangle, you represent these two values in the right angle triangle. So 13 means what? Hypotenuse. So 5 means what? This one. So how much this value? Follow only na? Otherwise you simplify 13 whole square minus 5 square. So how much you are getting? 144. You take the root. So that simplification, you know that. Right. And also 3 pi by 2 less than theta, 2 pi given. 3 pi by 2 less than theta less than 2 pi means what? 3 pi by 2 means 270 degrees. 270 degrees and 2 pi means what? 360. 270 and 360 in between region means what? Theta lies in fourth quadrant. Theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, what ratios are positive? In cos, their reciprocal cos, secant only positive. Okay, right? Cos and secant ratio is only positive. Other trigonometric functions are negative. Understand? Listen. So 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta divided by 4 sin theta plus 9 cos theta. So 2 into, what is the sin theta from this right angle triangle? 12 by 13. So 12 by 13, sin theta is negative in fourth quadrant. So that ratio also negative. That ratio also negative. Minus 3 into, what is cos theta? Cos theta is what? 5 by 13. So cos theta is positive. So cos theta is positive. You don't change the sign. So divided by, so 4 into, sin theta already taken, minus 12 by 13. So plus 9 into, what is cos theta? 5 by 13. See that simplification. So 2 into minus 12, minus 24 divided by 13, minus, so 3 into 5, 15 divided by 13, or divided by, so 4 into 12, minus 48 divided by 13, plus 9 into 5, 45 divided by 13. Now take LCM, numerator 13. So LCM is same as directly add numerator value. So minus 24 to minus 15. How much? Minus 39. Very good. Divided by, here also LCM is same, 13. So minus 48 plus 45. How much? Minus 3. So 13 cancel. So remaining minus 39 by minus 3. So how many times? 13 times. So 13 is your answer. 13 is your answer. Note down fast. 13 is your answer. Note down fast. Okay, na? Next question. 133. If A comma B are acute angles, next sin A equal to 3 by 5. Cos B equal to 12 by 30. Find first one, cos A plus B. Second one, cos A minus B. Third one, sin A plus B. Fourth one, sin A minus B. You simplify all the values. So here how many ratios given and how many angles are there here? So 2 ratios given and 2 angles also given. So 2 angles given means you have to take 2 right angle triangles. So 2 right angle triangles you have to take. This is A. This is B. 2 right angle triangles you have to take. A, B. So 2 right angle triangles we consider. So after that, what is given? Sin A. Sin A is equal to how much given? 3 by 5. So this ratio you substitute in the first right angle triangle. Where angle A is there? Here. So here you substitute. This is 3, this is 5. This is what? 4. That is 4. So next one is what? Cos B. cos B is equal to 12 by 30. So in that B right angle triangle, you substitute the ratio. This is 12, this is 30, this is what? 5. Okay, right? And okay na? Triangles we consider and right angle triangles we consider and substituted their ratios. And what is given? Angles given what? Since A comma B are acute angles, are lies in acute means lies in what? First quadrant. So lies in first quadrant. Acute means the angles lies in first quadrant. Means you take any ratio, that the ratio should be positive. That ratio should be positive. Remember this? Next. So now see that. First one. First value is what? Cos A plus B. Cos A plus B. So cos A plus B formula means you compare it to cos X plus Y formula. So what is that formula? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Sin A sin. Right. So cos A value. Cos A value given. Cos A value means you see right angle triangle A. So right angle triangle A. So cos A value is what? 4 by 5. Next. Cos B. Cos B means you see right angle triangle B. So what is that value? 12 by 13 minus sin A. Sin A means you see in that right angle triangle A. So 3 by 5. So into sin B. Sin B means you see in this right angle triangle. So what is that value? 5 by 13. 5 by 13. You don't cancel any values. Okay, right? You don't cancel any values. Now, this value, so 4 into 3, sorry, 4 into 12, 48. Divided by 5 into 13, 65. So minus, so 3 into 5, 15. Divided by 65. So LCM is 65. So now 48 minus 15. How much that value? How much that value? 33. 33 divided by 65. 33 divided by 65. That is your answer. 33 divided by 65. That is your answer. Okay na? Similarly, you simplify second one. Second one, what is that? Cos A minus B. Cos A minus B. So what is our formula? Cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. Sin A, sin B. Next one, substitute the values. Same values only na? Same values. You see 4 by 5 into 12 by 13 plus 3 by 5 into 5 by 13. So next LCM 65 48 plus 15 divided by 65. Now LCM 65, so that is 48 plus 15. How was that value? 63. 63 divided by 65. 63 divided by 65. Not done fast. Next one. Next one. Sin A plus B. Sin A plus B. Sin A plus B formula is what? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay na? I was given x and y. Okay na? Here you took formula a and b. Sin a, so sin a is what? 3 by 5 into cos b 12 by 13 plus cos a value you see this right away 4 by 5 sin b 5 by 13 5 by 13. So simplification ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this is 65, so 36 plus 65 20 4 into 5 20. Now LCM is 65, so 36 plus 20 how much? 56 divided by 65. That is your answer. That is your answer. Note down fast. Fourth one. Sin a minus b. So what is that? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin minus cos a sin. So what happens? Sin a is 3 by into cos b 12 by 30 minus cos a 4 by 5 into 5 by 13 sin b means. So what is LCM? 65. This is 36 minus 20 divided by 60. Now LCM is 65. 36 minus 20, that is 16 divided by 65. 16 divided by 65, that is your answer. Similarly, you can simplify tan a plus b, tan a minus b. Okay na? So that was not given, so you have to do that one also. Okay na? Continuation. So complete it fast. Again I will do tan a plus b, tan a minus b, tan a plus b, tan a minus b. Using these triangles only we can do that one also. Not all. Fifth one, tan a plus b. Tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. 1 minus tan a into tan b. 1 minus tan a into tan b. Listen, tan a value is what here from this side 3 by 5 plus tan b is what 5 by 12 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 12. So next to take LCM in numerator, 4 into 12 48. Again cross values, 3 into 12 36 plus 4 into 5 20 divided by, so what is our LCM? 48. So 48 how many times? 48 minus 3 into 5 50. 3 into 5 50. Understand LCM? LCM means these two terms. So 1 into 4 into 12 means 48. Again cross values, 48 into 1 48. So 1 into 3 into 5 50. 48 cancel. Remaining what is that? 36 plus 20 56 divided by 48 minus 15 33 right? So 56 divided by 33. This is tan a plus b. Similarly, you have to do tan a minus b. You see. Completed this one. Again you do tan A minus B. Tan A minus B. It is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. 1 plus tan A into tan B. 1 plus tan A into tan. Tan A value. Tan A value is what here? 3 by 4 minus tan B value is what? 5 by 12. Whole divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 into 5 by 12. So now see LCM for these two, 48. Again cross values 3 into 12, 36 minus 5 into 4, 20. So divided by 48 is LCM. So again 48 plus 15. So 3 into 5. 48 cancel. So remaining what? 36 minus 20 means 16 divided by, this is 63 na? 48 plus 15, 60. So again you have to practice some more. 6th one. So you simplify cot A plus B using same values. And 7th one, this is 8th one also you have to practice. Cot A minus, cot A minus. So you have to practice these two questions. You have to practice these two questions. Okay na? Continuation next class. Thank you all. Okay na? Continuation next class. So for examination you have to practice cos x plus y, cos x minus y, sin x plus y, sin x minus y for weekend test. Okay na? So these 4 also compulsory you have to practice. Thank you all.